Hey friends, Kevin here with this little Fortem Rechargeable Headlamp. They sent this to me to show to you, so let's get this thing out of the package, see what we have to do to get it set up. So in this main package, we're going to have the light, which is already attached to a strap, and we're going to have what looks like a USB-C. Nice that it's something really standard little charger. And my first impression with this strap is this is really high quality, because I have gotten some of the bigger name brands ones of these that I have bought over the years and used, and they did not come with anything this nice. So this is elastic. This part here is rubber. It has this nice strip on here to make you visible, I assume, if you're out working on something. Look at that. Textured on the back so it doesn't slip. All of this main light casing is rubberized. Down here on the end, you're going to have a rubber part, which is nice because that will seal it from dust or water. That's going to be your little charging port. Whoa, I did not expect that. I thought only the main part here was going to light up. Wow. Off and on. So with that main button, you can cycle through high intensity, low, then over to this light if you prefer, high and low, and then another press will turn it off. This thing is quite well designed. Let me get this strap adjusted properly and we'll play with this a little bit. Wow. High, low, our little work beam on high and low. Lightweight, comfortable. You could wear it like this. You could put this over top of a cap if you wear a cap. It's not going anywhere at all, moving around. It's very secure with the way they have the inside of that strap. So yeah, this is perfect for anyone's toolbox to have in their vehicles in case something happens and they have to do some work on something, be able to work and have a bright light and be able to do this hands-free. These little clips, there are a variety of ways that you could use these to be able to hang this light up on something, hang it near you if you were in a situation where you did not want to wear it. I have friends and relatives that may be getting these things for Christmas gifts and birthday gifts, because this is nice.